What is up, guys? It's your boy Heynelm back out here with another one videos, and today we will be reviewing the brand new Gosund Switch right here. Anyways, guys, I already did the intro for this video. This video has been had the intro. This video has been had the unboxing, as you guys can see right here. And guess what? I went to go start edit this video, and the video got all messed up. But I'm very grateful that happened, because I kind of learned the hard way how to install this switch. Now I will kind of like take you guys through the process of this, which is pretty easy once you get it, but it's just you just got to figure it out. But I'll show you step by step, especially if your house wires are the old schools, like you don't have a neutral wire, especially that in general. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna take you step by step. Okay, so in the box you technically get the switch, which is this switch right here with 4 wires. The red would be the load. You get the black would be the live. You get the white would be the neutral, and then you got the green one, which would be the ground, as you guys can see right here. So I only had black and red. The other 2 wires needed to be in there, but they're not in there. So I only had black and red, which is the live and the load. I didn't have no neutral wire to connect, and I did not have the ground, but the ground is pretty simple. So step number 1, what I did with the ground, let me get my cell phone so I can show y'all with the flash. So what I did with the ground is I just did a screw to the back of the box, the electricity box right here. You guys, let me zoom in all the way so you guys can see this. Alright, so there is a screw right there. I screwed in the ground and the neutral, like I screwed them together to the back of the box. So I put the ground, and then on top of the ground, which is the one that's supposed to be screwed to the box, I also put the neutral. Oh, let me bang, 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 bang. It also works with Alexa. So I also have this light right here with Alexa. So it, let me show y'all. Alexa, lights off. This light would go off, and then this light I don't have it yet with Alexa, but I do have it with, Alexa, just not the right name. So, but yeah, it's pretty simple. It connects through Wi-Fi. Here it is, the plate. I'm gonna use a screwdriver to screw the screws back in. Anyways, guys, so yeah, that's pretty much the setup. Oh, another thing, guys, before you even touch that, you gotta make sure you come over here and you do this. You turn this off. Bang. Now you can touch it all you want, you go over there all you want. But yeah, now I'm gonna fix these cables in there, make them nice. Still scared to like touch them. Bang. Okay, so yeah, now it's back on. I'm gonna go put the breaker back on. Bang. Now we have, bang, the switch. On, off. Now it's time to go ahead and mount the plate. This is my old plate. The old plate has screws. The new plate that comes with it, actually, it is this one right here. And what you do is you just technically like gotta like click it in type thing. Bang, bang. And now you peel this off, and brand new switch. My walls are a bit dirty. I'm gonna paint my room soon, but yeah, I got this little wall over here. I actually had a video for that, but the whole thing got deleted with the intro of this video as well, so I don't know what really happened on there. Anyways, yeah, now we got the switch. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, guys, so yeah, now all you really got to do is go on the app store. I've already done that. You download Smart Life right here, this app right here. Once you're in the app, you have to do all the configuration bullcrap, which I already did. It's pretty simple. The light will be flashing slowly, and what you do is you just configure it through Wi-Fi. It connects by itself. Once you have the app installed, you can do all the little fun crap with the app. Bang, on and off with the app. Now here's the real deal. Let's go on the Alexa app. Bang. Go on devices. Right here I have the lights on. It's my desktop light. So I technically normally use this light for the mornings when I wake up in the morning for work. I don't really have to like turn these lights on, which are very bright. So I have this. Trust me, it's enough to get ready. I just added switches. Bang. Okay. Alexa, lights off. Alexa, lights on. Okay, so that's gonna be that, and then Alexa, desktop light off.
Okay.
Alexa, good morning.
Okay.
I have this one set to turn on when I say good morning and to turn on when I say good night. This one, I'm gonna set it up to turn off when I say good night. I don't want, when I say good morning, this whole thing turns on. And what's cool about this app too is that, like, at work and I forget to turn off my lights and I would know, so I could just turn them off through here. Alright guys, so I'm pretty much done setting up my lights. So technically, I've set them to, for example, when I want to go to bed, all the lights will go off. When I want to wake up in the morning and I say good morning, just this light will come on because it's like the light that's not the brightest on my face. So,
okay.
Anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Like, share, subscribe if you haven't done that. Peace. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you on the next one. Peace. Oh, by the way, I forgot to give you guys a review on it. The Switch, at first it was a pain in the butt to install, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty good. The Switch is great. It's awesome. Works cool. Works awesome. Pretty good. It's not that bad. If you're gonna buy it, I'm gonna leave it down below. Link in bio. Amazon. I got it on Black Friday for like 15 bucks. Right now it's probably like 17, 18 bucks. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.